How to fix Fiverr not opening on your mobile device. If any day you would like to launch Fiverr application on your mobile device, but your Fiverr application is not being launched on your mobile device, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device. After you go to the search section on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to search Fiverr there. After you search Fiverr there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on your very Fiverr application for a while. After you tap on the Fiverr application, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of app information and tap on app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of notifications and then tap on notifications. After you tap on notification, you need to enable allow notification and also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you need to go to the option of permissions and tap on permissions. After you tap on permissions, you can see an interface like this. Now you need to allow the permission to the notifications and the phone. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you need to go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you need to enable open supported links. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you need to go to the option of storage and tap on storage. You need to see whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you need to clear down the cache. Otherwise, you have to go back. After going back, you need to go to the option of app details and store and tap on app details and store. This way, your very application will be opened in the Google Play Store. Now, if there is any option of the update there, you need to update your very application and you need to close the Google Play Store after that. After that, you can just restart your mobile device and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.